Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda Pilot gas tank. First, locate the fuel door release lever inside your vehicle. It's usually found on the driver's side floorboard, near the door sill. Simply pull this lever firmly upwards. You should hear a small click as the fuel door unlatches, preparing it for easy access from the outside. This simple action is the first step to a quick and hassle-free refueling experience. Now that you've pulled the release lever, exit your Honda Pilot and walk to the rear driver's side of the vehicle. You'll notice the fuel door is now slightly ajar, or perhaps fully open. If it's just ajar, gently push it open completely. This reveals the fuel cap, which is the next component we need to address. This step ensures you have clear and unobstructed access to the fuel tank opening. With the fuel door open, it's time to remove the fuel cap. Turn the cap counterclockwise until you feel it loosen and hear a few clicks. These clicks indicate the cap seal has been broken. Once loose, remove the cap completely. Most Honda Pilots have a convenient holder on the inside of the fuel door where you can place the cap, keeping it secure and out of the way while you refuel. After you've finished refueling your Honda Pilot, it's crucial to secure everything properly. First, replace the fuel cap by turning it clockwise. Listen for at least 3 distinct clicks. This confirms a tight, secure seal, preventing fuel vapor from escaping. Finally, gently push the fuel door closed until it latches firmly into place. You're now all set, and your Honda Pilot is ready for your next journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.